All right, the word for today is sit. Sit, boo boo, sit. Sit. Oh, jeez, man. Sit in Thai is nang, nang, nang. Okay? It's a falling tone. Nang. All right? You're falling and you sit on your butt. Nang. Okay? Can you say it? Nang with an N. Nang. All right? Okay, how do you use that in a sentence? Here we go. Okay, there's many ways to use in a sentence, though. That's the thing. All right, let's make it an easy one. นั่งรถ Okay, นั่งรถ mean sitting in a car. นั่งรถ sitting in a car. All right, ผม or ฉัน ผม is for male. ฉัน for everyone. Male, female, everybody. Okay, everyone. นั่งรถ ฉัน นั่งรถ means I'm sitting in a car. Okay, I don't know, going somewhere or just sitting still. ฉันนั่งรถ Okay. Now, if you want to add another word to that, is ฉันนั่งรถเที่ยว เที่ยว means sightseeing. You're moving now. You're just not sitting there with a window rolled up, you know, with a paper and just say feed me. Okay. Now you're moving. You're like sightseeing. You're seeing things for the first time. Hang your head out a window. Okay. That's what I would do. ฉันนั่งรถเที่ยว ฉันนั่งรถเที่ยว means I'm sightseeing. I'm like in a car and sightseeing. Okay. Or ฉันนั่งเรือเที่ยว เรือ means a boat. You know, long tail boat. Or any kind of boat, fishing boat, whatever boat. It's like floating device. ฉันนั่งเรือเที่ยว means I'm sightseeing in a boat. Okay? And the next one is ฉันนั่งเครื่องบิน เครื่องบิน means a plane. Okay? Aeroplane. Yeah. ฉันนั่งเครื่องบิน. Alright? To go to Thailand or to come back home. ฉันนั่งเครื่องบิน. Okay? Now, you can say I'm waiting. ฉันนั่งรอ. You can say ฉันนั่งรอ means I'm waiting. You can be waiting for something. Or you can say ฉันนั่งรอคุณ means I'm waiting for you. In a sentence, in a full sentence, you can say ฉันนั่งรอคุณมานานแล้วทำไมคุณยังไม่ยอมมา I'm just playing with you, man. ฉันนั่งรอคุณ means you. I'm waiting for you. I'm sitting here. Okay? Or ฉันนั่งรอเขา means I'm waiting for them. Okay? Someone, the cops is walking around and see you sitting there and like, what are you doing, buddy? ฉันนั่งรอเขา means I'm waiting for them. Or you can say ฉันนั่งรอคุณ you're waiting for a cop to arrive. Okay? All right, next one. ฉันนั่งกินข้าว กินข้าว means eating food. It can be anything. You know, in Thai, they just use the word cow. Cow for everything. It's like food, anything edible, anything like a meal. Okay? It can be a salad. It can be a noodle dish. It can be a rice dish. It can be whatever. Hamburger. I don't know. They call it กินข้าว. You can be any, but as long as it's a meal, not a snack. If a snack would be ขนม there'll be ฉันนั่งกินขนม means I'm sitting here eating my snack. Okay? So now ฉันนั่งกินข้าว means I'm sitting here having a meal. All right? Someone call you like, hey, what are you doing? I'm sitting here having a meal. ฉันนั่งกินข้าว or ผมนั่งกินข้าว Okay? Next one. นั่งชมวิว Okay? ผม or ฉันนั่งชมวิว mean I'm just sitting here looking at the view. Sightseeing. I'm just sitting here doing nothing, contemplating what I'm going to do with my life. ฉันนั่งชมวิว I'm just sitting here looking at the view, looking at the water, the mountain, you know, the bird, the squirrel, you know, a dog doing something, digging a hole. ฉันนั่งชมวิว. All right? Very simple. It can be, you know, the thing is, Thai sentence can be as simple as like a couple words, 1, 2, 3 words, or it can be like a whole long sentence. But in the future, I'm going to teach you even more. But for now, it's just beginner level, all right? Just to understand how to use the word sit in a sentence, okay? Very easy. All right, that's it for now. My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.